everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today's going to be something a little bit different. I don't know if you guys had noticed, but back in August, I added the ability for you guys to donate to me. So the link is in the description box below. You can go to lizsews.com/donate, or you can go to ko-fi.com/lizsews. They both go to the same place. The reason I wanted to use Ko-fi as my service provider for this is just I like the idea of it being a one-time donation thing. It's not a reoccurring expense that you have to do every single month. It just, if you have some extra money and you can donate as little as $3 or as much as you want. So I set that up just sort of under the radar. I didn't really talk about it at all, with the main goal of reaching $100. And the reason I had picked $100 was because that's about how much it takes in terms of investment for me to come up with another bra tutorial, for buying the patterns, the materials, testing it out, and then actually filming it. So now that I've reached $100, I can bring to you guys another bra sewing tutorial, and what I've chosen is the Cindy bra from Ululu. This is a pattern company that I'm not familiar with. I have never used their patterns before, so I'm really excited to try them out. And the reason that I picked this up is because I felt like it had a lot of different options to it. So you have a long line bra that's included in the pattern. I have a pair of underwear, and then the ability to combine both of those together to make a bodysuit. So I'm really leaning towards making a bodysuit because I really like the idea of having an underwire bodysuit. I think that would be really nice. And it's something that Tony had sort of requested, but let me know if you guys would be more interested in just the long line bra version. I'd be happy to do either one. So let me know what you guys are most interested in. So that is the tutorial that I have coming up in the next month or so, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of those lovely sponsors who have helped made it possible. So I just want to pop up all their names over here, and then I will read them to you as well. So we have Stephanie Sews, Claire from Penguin and Pear, Siv Nielsen, Georgie, Anon, Zanae Riviera. I'm really sorry if I'm butchering your names. That's why I'm trying to put them up on the side over here. We have Suzanne Black, Marcia Highsmith, Barbaro, So Natural Dane, which is Natita, I believe, Megan, Rosa, Nadia, Yilin, and Karma's a Stitch. So I'm really very thankful to all of these people who have helped donate and get me to that $100 goal and the ability to bring you guys another bra tutorial. So I hope you guys are excited. Let me know which version you want to see, and I will see you next time. Take care.